Good morning! Okay, gaano ba katagal bago ka makahanap ng client? So, nung ako yung nag-a-apply dati, nung nag-start pa lang ako, it took me 2 months bago ako nakahanap ng client, bago ko nalan yung first client ko. I have some friends na it took them 3 months or 4 months or more bago sila makahanap ng client. Nakadepende kasi yon kung paano nyo ginawa yung resume nyo, experience nyo din, paano kayo sa interview, mga ganong bagay na dapat kayo consider. Yung tip ko lang sa mga first time maging VA at gustong maging VA from BPO industry, or even not from BPO industry but they're transitioning from a different job or from a different niche going to a virtual assistant or a virtual role. Guys, wag muna mag-resign. Wag muna mag-resign sa existing job nyo while waiting for the first client, for that first client. Kasi we're parents. If single kayo, they okay. If you don't have bills to pay, then that's good. But if you're a parent or if you're the breadwinner of the family, then you can't stop working. Huwag mag-resign muna. Antayin munang makapasa kayo dun sa client nyo bago kayo mag-resign sa existing or sa main source of income nyo. Number 1 yun. If meron na kayong savings at least 2 to 3 months, then that's good. Ako nga, I would suggest na you keep the job first. You keep your existing job or you keep your main source of income, regardless if that's PPO or not. Keep nyo muna yun. Then, dapat meron kayong savings 2 to 3 months. I've been mentioning it multiple times now. Dapat meron kayong 2 to 3 months na savings. And then, saka kayo mag-resign. Yun.